Hi Diamond Painters and Crafters, it's Trisha with Joann Creations, and I'm coming to you today to bring you an unboxing video of a new diamond painting I picked up from Joann's at a really good price. It was supposed to be half off today for those Black Friday sales. However, when I went to the cash register, the paintings I picked up were only $4, so I had to get two of them. So the one that I'm going to be unboxing today is the Snowman one. It is a holiday edition. It is called Snowman Fun. It is a 12 by 12, and we'll get into this unboxing video, so stay tuned. So we are going to jump into this unboxing video of Snowman Fun. It is a holiday edition. As I said, it's not necessarily Diamond Dots, but it's powered by Diamond Dots. It's actually released from Liesure Arts. On the box, it has the picture. On the side, it just has some information. It is a full drill. It should have 22 diamonds. It says full drill up here. And it should be their 13 drill cut diamonds or drills or whatever, and it is round. So I did get this one on Black Friday timing, and it was supposed to be half off with the Black Friday deals. However, it rang up $4 because this is not one of the ones I originally was going to get. But because it was $4, I went back and got it because I was like, heck yeah, I'll pay $4 for a nice 12 by 12 canvas. So I really like Diamond Dots, so I went back and got it. So let's jump into this canvas. Now it is a little thicker canvas, which is known, Diamond Dots and Liesure Art is known for. You have your instruction sheet. Throw that away because I won't need that. And you have this cute, got some extra paper in there, 12 by 12 snowman. Look how cute he is. So let's actually roll it the other way and check out the symbols. Alright. So this kit has 22 symbols, 22 colors, 22 symbols. Does have 2 ABs in it. Their ABs are usually in the 5,000s. Diamond Dots does have their own drill numbers. However, if you would like to convert them into DMC codes, there is a conversion chart on diamonddots.com website for the conversion. However, I keep mine separate because they are shaped different than a lot of the other companies with, I like to call it the house shape drill or the diamond shape drill. And I will show you what I mean by these are different. But let's jump into the clarity of the symbols. Look how clear that is. So right here is your snow, so you'll have a lot of light white. Actually, we can look that up. So J is 8147, so it's like a maybe like a light gray. And then you have the dot, which is the AB color. So very easy to see. You will not have trouble seeing what colors those are. Diamond Dots and Liesure Art is very good at being able to see, especially with their newer kits. They have really upped their clarity on this. So let's get into the blues, because I know sometimes, I'm going to turn it around, the blues can get a little hectic when they're kind of close in color. But you can see now it is upside down. You can see where the A's are, where the black dots are, which the black dots are a blue color, 8131. And then you have the lighter colors. But you can see all that clarity. Sorry, I have a little drainage. In there. So isn't he cute? Super cute. So I'll leave him like that. You got a cute little sleigh. And we'll jump into your kits that you get, or your drills that you get. So on the bag, it does have a little sticker that tells you what it is. Sorry, there's a glare. So if you like to take them out and put them in little storage units or whatever, just as in their bags, it does tell you what these are. Again, there is 22 colors, so you get your standard toolkit, wax, stylus, baggies, you know, standard toolkit. And then you get your fabulous drills. So since these are out, you do get 2 AB colors. Okay. You get the white AB, which is 5001, and you get yellow, which is 5005. And they just have those extra sparkles to them. It's kind of hard to see sometimes in the lighting. But they have that extra coating on there to give them that rainbow look. So those are your ABs. And then we'll just go quickly down. That's 11. So here's this. So we have the reds, the greens, some orange, some light blue, some dark blues. Now, as you can see here, so one of these is 8129 and 8128. Now, in the lighting, you can definitely see the difference. One's darker, one's lighter, but sometimes these are hard to tell what the difference is in those. Because then you also got 8127. So you have 8128, 8129, and 8127. So you have the three hints of blue that are close together. Okay, got a little runaway in that one. And then you got these colors. So diamond dot drills are shaped different, like I was telling you earlier. They are shaped more like a diamond. So like the diamonds you wear on your hands or in your ears or, you know, whatever, they have a flat top to them, and that's how these are shaped. These have 13 facets, but they are faceted in a way that catches the light just right to give it that ultimate sparkle. And I love the way the drills sparkle in the light when it has those 13 facets. I don't know if you can see, if it clears up, what I'm talking about with the top on there. It might be better if it had like a darker color. I'll try this one. So, see if I can push that up there so you can see. If not, and you're used to diamond painting, then you'll definitely know the difference between the drills and the diamond dot drills, so it's not focusing. But I love the way diamond dot drills sparkle. This kit for $4 is amazing. It won't take me hopefully too long, but it will be very cute and sparkly when it's done. So please subscribe to my videos and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and have a great day.